Hello everyone, we'll be discussing the M.A.C.D indicator in this video. As the name indicates, the M.A.C.D is known as moving average convergence and divergence. The M.A.C.D indicator gives us the buy and sell signals. Let's apply the M.A.C.D indicator to this chart and overview the M.A.C.D indicator. We have to go to the indicators section and simply write M.A.C.D. This is the M.A.C.D indicator. Apply it to the charts. We got the M.A.C.D indicator over here. Now the M.A.C.D indicator has two lines, the M.A.C.D line and the signal line. This is the standard color of the indicator. Later on we can customize it. Whenever you apply the M.A.C.D indicator, you will have this type of colors on the indicator. This blue line is the M.A.C.D line and this line is the signal line. When this M.A.C.D line crossovers the signal line, it gives us the buying indication. And whenever the signal line cross over the M.A.C.D line, which it means sell. As you can see over here, the M.A.C.D line crossed, this blue line crossed over the orange line over here. It gives us a buying indication over here. After that, as you can see, the signal line crossed over the M.A.C.D line. This is the M.A.C.D line and this orange one is the signal line. The signal line crossed over the M.A.C.D line. Now it gives us a sell indication. This is the selling indication. M.A.C.D is one of the simplest and the most favorite indicators of traders and investors. They use M.A.C.D to find the entry and sell signals. And these small lines here are called as histograms. We'll be discussing this histogram in the next example. Let's move to the chart and apply this M.A.C.D indicator. This is the euro and the US dollar 4-hour chart. Let's use the M.A.C.D indicator and find some live examples. Now over here, look at the price. The price was consolidating over here. Let me mark this zone. The price was consolidating over this zone. The M.A.C.D line crossed the signal line, this one. As you can see, the blue line crossed the orange line, which gives us a buying indication. And as you can see, the price then rallied towards the upside here. The price rallied all the way up. Then the price was consolidating over here. Now look at the M.A.C.D. The orange line, which is signal line, crossed over the M.A.C.D line. This gives us a selling indication. This is indicating that you should exit from the market now. And as you can see, after this the price dropped further. Now look at over here, another example. The price was again consolidating in this area. The M.A.C.D line again crossed the signal line over here, which gives us a buying indication, and then the price rallied upwards. So this is how simple the M.A.C.D indicator is. It is very simple and it gives more confidence to your trading strategy. Now one more important thing, guys, let me show you. These are the histograms. These small blocks are called as histograms. The histogram represent a volume activity that what's going in the market right now. To use the histogram, you have to look at two things only. For example, here we got the crossover of the M.A.C.D. We got the crossover of the M.A.C.D and the price rallied upwards. So look at the histograms. The histograms were getting green. Strong green, strong green, strong green. This means that there is a great buying activity over here. And when the histogram turns into transparent, it means that the buying activity is gradually decreasing. As you can see, the buying activity is gradually decreasing. Look at here. The histograms were getting transparent over here constantly. This means that the buying activity is gradually decreasing. And on the chart, you can see the price is consolidating. So the histograms tells us the picture in advance that the buying activity is getting decreased and we should take safety and mandatory precautions to exit from the market. Then as you can see, the M.A.C.D crossed over here. The signal line crossed over here, which gives us a sell signal, and the histograms begin to turn into red. These histograms mean that there is a strong selling activity, and the selling activity was going on and on. You have to keep the eyes on histogram. The more darker the histogram is, it means that there is a strong buying or selling activity. If the histogram turns lighter or transparent, it means that the buying or selling activity is gradually decreasing. You have to keep eye on it. Let's find another example. Now over here the price was dropping. See, the signal line has crossed over the MACD line and the price is dropping. Here at this, see, the histograms are turning into transparent, which means that the selling activity is gradually decreasing. We got the crossover over here on the MACD and the histograms begin to turn green, which means that the buying activity has started. And then you can see the price rallied upwards. So this is how simple the M.A.C.D indicator is. After watching this video, go to the live charts, open any commodity, stock, anything, any cryptocurrency which you want to analyze and try to practice M.A.C.D indicator as much as you can. I hope you have learned and enjoyed the M.A.C.D indicator. Let's move forward to our next lecture.